Data centers can overheat fast, and that's a big problem. One small spike can crash everything. Servers produce constant heat. If we don't control it, performance drops quickly. This is where closed-loop cooling comes in. It's like a self-contained cooling system. Coolant flows inside sealed pipes. It never mixes with outside air. Heat is transferred away safely using a heat exchanger. Simple, but powerful. A pump keeps the liquid moving in a loop. Constant circulation means constant cooling. The result? Stable temperatures and better performance. Everything runs smoothly. Unlike open systems, closed loops are cleaner and more efficient. Less waste, more control. Sensors constantly monitor the system. If something changes, it adjusts instantly. That's how data centers stay cool under pressure. Smart cooling keeps the digital world alive.